sweeping across the archipelago.
Straight into your home. This is 106.7 Home Radio. Natural. Broadcasting live from your home, the Philippines. Naturally giving you hit after hit.
Don't believe me, just watch.
Be you. Be you. Because this is your home.
Oh my God.
106.7 Home Radio. Natural. We're going back. To hit you one more time.
Me, baby, one more time. It's like rain.
With the throwback classics you'll never admit you like, but you do. It's Guilty Pleasures Tuesday. Naturally giving you hits from 95 to 05. So sing like no one's listening.
Don't know.
Dance like no one's watching.
Waiting for tonight.
Just be you. 106.7 Home Radio. Natural. 106.7 Home Radio.
Broadcasting with warmth and delight. From the Queen City of the South, Cebu, this is dyqc, the music of now. 106.7 Home Radio.
Every time you ask for a song, you're voting for it. We want you to cast your votes and find out which among your jam make the cut. Tune in. Home Radio Weekly Top 20.
H2O.
20 most ridiculously overrated songs you love to listen to over and over. Count it down.
In your face!
Home Radio Weekly Top 20.
H2O.
Saturdays on 106.7 Home Radio Natural.
H2O, Cebu's weekly top 20 with David Dash. Saturdays, 9 to 11 a.m. Quench your thirst for the hits. H2O.
Kicking off the hits.
106.7
Home Radio. Naturally giving you the hits from 95 to 05.
Guilty Pleasures Tuesday on 106.7 Home Radio.
Now,
Hitting you back.
Now let's go way back.
One more time.
Back in time.
Guilty Pleasures Tuesday on 106.7 Home Radio. We're going back. To hit you one more time. Guilty Pleasures Tuesday. On 106.7 Home Radio. Your guilty pleasure.
Ah, yeah.
Guilty Pleasures Tuesday on 106.7 Home Radio.
If you're craving to rave, then dig in Fridays at 9 p.m. We'll hook you up with the hottest dance tracks.
I just want to get loose when the beat drops.
Mixed up by the best DJs in town. Your party, our music.
I'm Vega. Join me every Friday night from 9 till midnight for the Blue Energy Drink Breakthrough as we deliver the very best in electronic dance music featuring local and international DJs mixing live on air.
So dig in Fridays at 9 p.m. on 106.7 Home Radio.
Taking you back to the fives. Guilty Pleasures Tuesday on 106.7 Home Radio. We're going back. To hit you one more time. With the throwback classics you'll never admit you like, but you do. It's Guilty Pleasures Tuesday. Naturally giving you hits from 95 to 05. So sing like no one's listening. Dance like no one's watching. Just be you. 106.7 Home Radio. Going back in the day on a Guilty Pleasures Tuesday.
Guilty as charged.
On 106.7 Home Radio. 106.7 Home Radio.
The music of now.
Now, without further ado,
The music of now. Now.
It's music.
The home of the millennials. 106.7 Home Radio.
Are you lost? We'll help you find your way home. 106.7 Home Radio.
Heard all over Cebu City and all across the archipelago.
radio.
106.7 Home Radio Cebu, Cagayan de Oro. 93.5 Home Radio Cagayan de Oro. 98.7 Home Radio Davao. 98.3 Home Radio Jensen. 89.5 Home Radio Iloilo. 92.3 Home Radio Legazpi. 95.1 Home Radio Naga. Manila. And 97.9 Home Radio Manila. Dominating the airwaves. The home of the millennials. This is the music of now.
radio. Home radio. Home radio. Home radio. Home radio.
We are the home of the millennials. 106.7 Home Radio.
Representing the PH.
Here we go.
On 106.7 Home Radio.
The home of the millennials. 106.7 Home Radio.
Giving you local flavor. On 106.7 Home Radio.
106.7 Home Radio brings you Home Fresh. Your feed on anything that's new on entertainment, food, film, health, technology, and more. You just heard Home Fresh, your feed on anything that's new on the home of the millennials. 106.7 Home Radio. The music of now.
Now, without further ado,
The music of now. Now.
It's music.
The home of the millennials. 106.7 Home Radio.
What do you listen to? Music.
The music of now. Now. The music of now.
Let's talk more music.
Great, I love it. The home of the millennials. 106.7 Home Radio.
What do you listen to? Music.
The music of now. Now.
More music.
Great, I love it. The home of the millennials. 106.7 Home Radio. The music of now. Now.
Naturally giving you hit after hit. 106.7 Home Radio.
You're listening to Ringo.
Every time you ask for a song, you're voting for it. We want you to cast your votes and find out which among your jam make the cut. Tune in. Home Radio Weekly Top 20.
H2O.
20 most ridiculously overrated songs you love to listen to over and over. Count it down.
In your face!
Home Radio Weekly Top 20. H2O. Saturdays on 106.7 Home Radio.
H2O, Cebu's weekly top 20 with David Dash. Premieres every Saturday, 9 to 11 a.m. With playback every Wednesday, 6 to 8 p.m. Quench your thirst for the hits. H2O.
Don't forget to take your shoes off.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Put him back on. 106.7 Home Radio. Feeling homesick? We've got the natural remedy for you. 106.7 Home Radio. When I'm home, I can go au natural. Oh man, what are you doing? 106.7 Home Radio. Sing like no one's listening. Dance like no one's watching. Just be you. 106.7 Home Radio. You can be you, because this is your home. 106.7 Home Radio.
Homegrown Rhythms.
The new gen of OPM. On 106.7 Home Radio.
This is the home of the millennials.
This is our station.
The music of now.
I just think it sounds really cool.
now, without further ado,
We want music.
The music of now. Now.
106.7 Home radio.
HRU Home Radio Updates. HRU Home Radio Updates.
The music of now. The music of now. Celebrating Christmas in high spirits.
Merry Christmas, brother.
On 106.7 Home Radio. This is the home of the millennials. 106.7 Home Radio. The music of now.
106.7 Home radio.
You're on the brightest.
Merry Christmas!
On 106.7 Home Radio. Holiday cheers.
Merry Christmas! Hey, what's happening?
Holiday hits. On 106.7 Home Radio.
now, without further ado,
The music of now.
It's music.
The home of the millennials. The music of now. Now. 106.7 Home Radio. The music of now. The music of now.
106.7 Home radio.
The music of now.
Happy holidays. 106.7 Home radio.
Make it a sweet holiday season. Ring in the holiday spirit.
For holiday music, we're the station that plays it.
Happy holidays.
106.7 Home Radio.
Celebrating Christmas in high spirit.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas on 106.7 Home Radio.
Check it out.
If I says no.
Are you ready?
Yes.
You are now about to witness
Music
that accelerate your heart rate.
masterfully crafted.
It's party time.
It's not your imagination or fantasy.
Loud.
Bring it up.
Proud. I am proud. This is how we do it.
I like it like that.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Please welcome.
counting down right now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ringo Mercado in the mix.
Hey, where's the beat?
Bring that beat back.
Stay tuned for more.
106.7 Home Radio.
Bring that beat back.
Here we go. Put your hands up.
We're taking you back.
Awesome.
Sequencing audio.
Here we go.
Starts. Wait for it.
Ringo Mercado in the mix.
106.7 Home Radio. Aliu Broadcasting Corporation is hiring competent and hardworking personnel for the following positions. Program Director for Palawan. Knowledgeable in radio industry, doing radio program and media management with 2 years proven experience in radio operations and programming, or as station manager. Strong but pleasing personality, results and people-oriented. Sales Supervisor for Legazpi, Gensan, CDO, and Dagupan with 2 years proven sales and marketing experience in the same capacity, ability to meet required monthly sales quota with existing network of agencies and or advertisers, driven and results-oriented. Account Executive for Iloilo, Dagupan, Davao, Cebu, Legazpi, and Naga. 2 years proven sales and marketing experience. Proven record in achieving required monthly sales quota with existing network of agencies and or advertisers. Interested applicants may personally visit Home Radio or DWIZ stations located in your area, or you may send your comprehensive resume with photo through email address abc.hrmd@gmail.com.
Every time you ask for a song, you're voting for it.
Oh my God!
We want you to cast your votes and find out which among your picks make it to the list. Tune in to Home Radio Weekly Top 20.
Yeah, baby.
H2O. For the most ridiculously overrated songs you love to listen to over and over. Count them down.
I love it.
Turn it on. H2O. Home Radio Weekly Top 20 with David Dash. Saturdays at 9 to 11 a.m.
It's gonna be so awesome.
With playback every Wednesday at 6 to 8 p.m.
Absolutely amazing.
Quench your thirst for the hits. H2O. Home Radio Weekly Top 20 with David Dash.
Home Radio.
The music of now. The countdown begins now. Ladies and gentlemen, here's your H2O host, David Dash. H2O. Home Radio Weekly Top 20 with David Dash. We'll be back in a flash. Are you ready to move? The hottest hits today. Certified chart busters. Counting them down every week. This is H2O. Home Radio Weekly Top 20 with David Dash. The music of Home Radio Weekly Top 20 with David Dash.
Fresh off the grill. On the fly. 106.7 Home Radio.
The music of now. Raging, raving. The Metro is under siege. This is Invasion Manila.
Don't believe me, just watch.
The hottest mixes and the coolest DJs in the Metro will bring the house down. Live. Every Friday from 8 to 10 p.m. No one will be spared. This is Invasion Manila. Only here on 106.7 Home Radio.
106.7 Home Radio.
Sa panahon sa milenyo, ang Aliw Broadcasting Corporation mulusad sa iyang bagong programa sa kahanginan sa Cebu. Kini ang 106.7 Home Radio News FM. Madungog ninyo ang mga labas na mga balita sa kauluhan. Inabagan sa flagship station sa DWIZ sa Metro Manila. Sa silingan ng dapit sa Subo, regional nga buhatan, investigative report, init nga mga komentaryo ug uban pa. Dinhi lamang madungog sa 106.7 Home Radio News FM Cebu. Atangi! Takla sa 106.7 Home Radio News FM Cebu, alas 7:02 na.
Gikan sa Lawak Balitanan sa 106.7 Home Radio News FM Cebu. Kini ang Home Radio Balita sa alas 7. Mga lapas nga balita nga nahipos sa mga Home Radio News FM reporters. Inubanan sa flagship station sa DWIZ sa Metro Manila. Maghatod kaninyo sa mga detalye sa gikasaligang tigbalita sa Subo. Kini ang Home Radio Balita sa alas 7. O karon sa mga uluhan sa balita. Dr. Russell Fulyuzos live reports. Balita abroad. Balitang sports. Balitang showbiz. Lakat sa panahon. Inyong nadungog ang Home Radio Balita sa alas 7. Hangtod sa sunod higayon. Daghang salamat sa pagpaminaw.
Takna sa 106.7 Home Radio News FM Cebu, alas 12:01 na.
Sa Lawak Balitanan sa 106.7 Home Radio News FM Cebu. Kini ang Home Radio Balita sa alas 12. Mga lapas nga balita nga nahipos sa mga Home Radio News FM reporters. Inubanan sa flagship station sa DWIZ sa Metro Manila. Maghatod kaninyo sa mga detalye sa gikasaligang tigbalita sa Subo. Kini ang Home Radio Balita sa alas 12. O karon sa mga uluhan sa balita. Home Radio Balita sa alas 12. Balitang negosyo. Balitang panglawas. Inyong nadungog ang Home Radio Balita sa alas 12. Hangtod sa sunod higayon. Daghang salamat sa pagpaminaw.
We've been gone for so long, and we missed you. And now, we're coming back home. The new Home Radio. Welcome back, the #1 easy listening music station. Playing beautiful music all day long. Coming home soon.